I'm JVC Sreeram, the master franchisee of Accelerator in South India and Goa. 65% of new business comes from referrals, and we at Accelerator help our clients to build a solid referral marketing strategy and plan. Wouldn't it be super cool if I were to show you 5 steps through which your referral partners and referral sources book a confirmed appointment from your prospects, or sometimes even bring a closed business for you? The 3R intensive referral accelerator training is going to help you get referrals predictably by learning the referral receiving process. Some of the participants who have attended this training, the Referral Accelerator training, in over 60 plus countries have reported 300% more sales with their prospects. We are going to help you create referral business vision, which is going to help you double or even triple your sales without spending additional budget on marketing activities. Anyone can market their business with enough cash, but doing it with limited funds requires special skill. That's the skill you are going to learn from Accelerator. To register for the Referral Accelerator training, you can visit www.meraevents.com, or you can simply choose to pay by Paytm at this number and message us 98490-45159. Looking forward to seeing you at the Marigold Hotel, Hyderabad on Wednesday, the March 6th, 2019 between 5 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. to accelerate your referral receiving process. And I would urge you to avail the early bird offer by registering before March 1st, 2019. Thanks for listening.